Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to extend ring time on a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want a Samsung Galaxy phone to extend its ring time each time you have an incoming call, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now, to extend ring time on Samsung phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the phone app. Then you want to dial **61 *321 *30 #, where 30, which is 30 seconds, 30 represent 30 seconds. So if you want this to ring for 45 seconds, you can just set this to 45. If you want the time to be extended to 50 seconds, just type 50 after 321 *50 and then put #. But in this case, I want to extend my ring time to 30 seconds. So just type **61 *321 *30 #. And then after that, go ahead and then click on the dial button. You should see MMI code started. Then registration was successful. You see that? That implies that my ringtone now has now been extended to at least 30 seconds. So if you want to reduce this, just repeat the same thing, **61 *321 **. So let's say you want it to ring for 10 seconds, then put 10 and then #. Then go ahead, dial. This is going to start the MMI code. You're going to say registration was successful. And then after this is going to extend your ring time on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is exactly what to do when you want to extend ring time on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.